Oh my gosh, that was literally the coolest thing I've ever seen.
I've never seen anything like that, so it was cool to watch it.
It's amazing. One of the best experiences of our lives.
It was a very cool show, and honestly, the best night of my entire life.
Obviously, you know it's going to be an awesome experience, but it just does not compare to seeing it in person.
Just how it like went from like 19, like when it first started, to like 2023, and just all the pictures in between. I was so in awe. That was like the coolest thing ever.
We love seeing the champagne.
Yeah. Very environmentally friendly.
My favorite part was just hearing like the crowd's reactions. And knowing that like we brought this really cool thing to Steamboat that nobody's seen before.
Open Sky's the best! Love Steamboat!
Open Sky's the best!
Open Sky is the best. We're so happy to work with them.
Yes, we love them.
Open Sky is the best!
Yeah!
Open skies, man. It's the best.